हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आई एम रुद्रानी एंड बॉम्बे में तो मिलती रहती हूँ, लेकिन मन्ना को हैदराबाद में इस रेड कार्पेट में discussing films is going to be so much fun. Hello.
Hello, how are you doing, girl?
I am doing great now that I have met you. Familiar faces are always fantastic. But tell me, Hyderabad is home to you?
Yes, definitely it's a home to me, and I'm feeling very happy about the fact that one of my film released yesterday, and today I am attending film fair. और मैं आपको भी मिल लिया, तो क्या vibe है मेरी आज?
Oh, I love it. बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं, right? If you had to take your quick pick as to who is Manra supporting, there are so many fantastic films this year. Who would that be and why?
I think there are South India is something which has really made me learn how to act, how to be in front of the screen. So there is not any specific one film I'm rooting for, because I think the rawness, the quickness and the spontaneity which you have in South Indian cinema, and the conviction which they go on, like all India on the pan India level, I cannot really root for one particular film, but may the best one win. But for me, whosoever is getting nominated tonight, they all are winners in their own entity.
Of course. Okay, some fun questions. Are you ready?
Fun is always something Manara is ready for, right?
Always. Okay. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh. It has to be a funny one.
Rumor about myself, there's so many rumors about myself. I think मैंने अपने बारे में इतने rumors सुन लिए हैं about my affairs, about my likings, about this and that. So I think rumors is something. Earlier I used to like, oh, I'm very serious about it. Now I'm like, चल हट यार, चल हटा सावन की घटा.
Okay, I love it. If you had to swap your life with a particular actor, who would you pick and why?
I think because we are in South, and I just, if I talk about females, I think I really love Nayanthara ma'am. Recently I got an award, another award, and I got a platform to share with her, and I absolutely loved it. She was also getting the same award, and I was also getting the same award. I was like, wow, kya vibe hai meri. So I think she's a phenomenal actor, and I would definitely like to swap, or maybe if not swap, just like to learn and imbibe from her, because she's such a beautiful actress.
Of course. I've got you to पूछना पड़ेगा. Big Boss OTT winner
Yes.
has been announced.
Yes.
What are your thoughts? How do you think about the season? What do you think about the winner?
I think I was really very much interested in Ranveer sir or Nazi getting the trophy, and because I kind of like their genuineness, and they were very sweet people, you know. उनका सबसे बनता था, जो था मुंह पे था, तो you know आप एक recall value और एक nostalgic उसमें चले जाते हो. So I think, but उन दोनों ने ही उस platform पे बहुत respect earn करी है, and I would say that for myself also. Respect is something which, you know, Big Boss का platform ने मुझे भी बहुत दिलाई है, and I think they also have like really taken it over. But congratulations to the winner. It's a girl power, and all out for it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Manra. It's always be with the gorgeous Surbhi right here in Hyderabad. For of course, it's fantastic to come here and celebrate films, right? Yes. So you'll have to tell me few films that you've loved this year, some nominees you're really rooting for.
Lot of films, but I can't choose one.
You can name multiple.
Tell me which ones.
Mammootty sir's Kathal, then there's Ponniyin Selvan, then there's so many others.
So I've been a Mani Ratnam sir's fan. So Ponniyin Selvan, yeah.
Ponniyin Selvan, of course. And you know, of course, I'm going to ask you some fun questions now. Are you ready? Okay. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh. A really funny one.
It's not a funny one, but people always thought I was a South Indian. But I'm from North India actually. But people always thought that I belong to Chennai, and I made my debut in a Tamil film. So yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah.
Okay. And the last one is, if you had to swap your life with an actor, who would you pick and why?
Pick and why? There are a lot of actors out there.
Top of your head.
Maybe Angelina Jolie.
Ooh, nice. Simran, it's a great night, right? Like, we're celebrating films, you have great performances. What are you most looking forward to, and which films are you rooting for?
Oh, so many. Actually, they just asked me what am I most looking forward to. One of my best friends is actually hosting the event, Faria. So I'm really looking forward to seeing her on stage. And apart from that, it's just incredible to be under a roof where there's so many different industries and different languages. I'm a huge fan of Malayalam cinema. So just to be able to see my favorite stars, I think I'm just going to have a fangirl moment.
Okay, fantastic. Some fun questions. Are you ready? Okay, a rumor about yourself that makes you laugh, like a really funny one.
That I'm 6 feet tall, and I'm not.
Tall enough, but not
Tall enough, but not 6.
exactly. Okay, the most entertaining actor can be from any industry, Tamil, Telugu, just pick.
Most entertaining actor. I've actually had the fortune of working with him. His name's Abhinav, and I've done 2 films with him.
Okay, good one. If you had to swap your life with an actor, who would you pick and why?
Oh my god. Well, that's a difficult one. I don't think I want to swap my life with anybody. I think Faria, right now, because I then get to be on stage and ask these questions to everyone else.
Okay, fantastic. Dosti yaari chal rahi, but we love it. We love the friendship that they have. Thank you. Have a great night ahead.